Hello? Yes, I'm a little busy right now. I'm teaching my subscribers how to be straight A students. I can't talk. Oh my gosh, they're here. Okay, I gotta go. Hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Neffa's University. And on today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to be a straight A student. Let's just get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you feeling? How are you feeling on this beautiful day? Now, as you can already see by the title, today I'm about to start talking about how to make you a straight A student. Whether you're in high school, whether you're in college, it doesn't really matter. These are the tips and tricks to getting the best grades in school possible. So keep watching this video if you want to know those tips and tricks, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you like these types of videos. So let's just get right into it. All right, so the first tip to being a straight A student, whether you're in high school, college, graduate student, no matter what grade you're in, elementary, middle school, doesn't matter, is having a planner. Okay, having these little planner books that you can get from Family Dollar for like $1.99, $1.99 will really save your life. So basically the point of a planner is basically to write down the things you're going to be doing for the day, your homework, things that you have to get done within the week, goals that you have for the month. You know what I'm saying? You can write anything in a planner. It doesn't just have to be schoolwork, but these help to keep you really organized. Okay, without my planner or without writing down things in my notes, like in the notes on my pad on my phone, I don't know where I'd be. Okay, I'd be failing, period, because it's very easy to forget assignments. It's very easy to forget, you know what I'm saying, things that you got to do, period. All right, so the next thing you need, before I even get into the tips and tricks of being a successful student, the next thing you need is this. Now this is a planner as well, but this is a bigger planner. This planner, I basically use this for inspirational quotes. So each page has an inspirational quote at the end of the month. You see, and this, you can kind of use this for motivation, especially during these times, you know, with the whole pandemic going on, and you know, schools could be stressful. Sometimes we need a little piece of encouragement. So having these little books with little quotes in them can really help you. And this is also a monthly planner. So this one is more of a daily planner. This one, you plan your day, what you have to do for the week, boom, 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 right? This planner is more monthly. So it's basically things that you have to do for the month, the classes that you take. If you're a college student, then you know how each semester it's a whole new classes unless you fail. But that won't happen. You won't fail. So it's gonna be whole new classes for you this semester and next semester. And you know, each month is very different. Like February, like January is not gonna be nothing like February. Okay, each month has its own set of problems, has its own things that you gotta get done. You know what I'm saying? So these planners, these monthly planners are really good for that. Hold on, I'm trying to show y'all what it actually looks like. So yeah, you just write your monthly goals. As you can see, mine is pretty filled. You write your monthly goals, you write down steps to complete those goals, you write down the challenges you're gonna face completing those goals. And yeah, it even comes with a little calendar inside as well. This is not that good. It also comes with a little calendar, so you just write down, you know what I'm saying? That's lit. That's very good. All right, and the next thing you're gonna need to step into the school year with is a laptop. Okay, you do not have to have the fanciest motherfucking laptop. All right, as long as you have a computer, as long as you have a laptop, baby, you are good. You are gonna succeed. It does not matter. But me personally, since I have used Apple, like the MacBooks, and I've used HP, I'm gonna recommend HP over MacBooks. And I know that sounds surprising because people always gravitate towards MacBooks, but the reason people gravitate towards MacBooks is not because they're the best computer. It's just because of the clout, the hype. It's the most expensive computer out. These HP laptops work like a charm. These HP laptops, for me personally, work better than MacBooks. There's more storage. It's cheaper, and not only is the HP laptop cheaper than a MacBook, but you can use your HP laptop and it's touchscreen. And I only paid like $400, I think $5 something for this laptop. It's touchscreen. The MacBook is not, I mean, do they have a touchscreen MacBook? I don't know. I don't know if they have a touchscreen MacBook, but this one is touchscreen. Not only is it touchscreen, but the keys are really sensitive, so it's easy to click on things. You know, the storage space is great. And if you need to buy more storage space like me, because like I put a lot of things in here, I do videos in here and stuff like that as well, you can just, buying more storage space is really, really cheap. It's not like MacBook. If you've ever run out of storage on your MacBook, then you know trying to buy more storage on a MacBook, boy, right? Yeah. So now that we've got down the essentials for school and being successful in school, period, let me tell you some tips and tricks to being a successful student, okay? So the first thing you want to avoid is procrastination, okay? I'm going to say that one more time because I know a lot of people struggle with this. Procrastination. That is something that you do not want to do. Now I understand if you're having a bad day or if you know that an assignment is due and you just choose not to do it, all right, that's one thing. But putting off an essay, a 5-page paper until the last minute is not a way to be a straight A student, because you're going to be handing in trash. You're going to be rushing to get the paper done, and it's not going to be done to its best ability, as if you would have started that paper a week earlier. And I feel like a lot of the times now people complain about the fact that oh, we have work online or school's online, which, yeah, I understand that, but I feel like because of the pandemic and because we have school online, it's a lot easier to get your work done, because a lot of the classes are acromosis classes. And basically what an acromosis class means, they give you all the work for the semester and it's up to you to do it on time. It's up to you. You set your own schedule to how you want to do the work. There's no teacher telling you what to do or telling you when to hand in the work for college students. For high school students, I don't really know how that works. I don't really know if it's the same process, but speaking for college students, that is what it is. Like, a lot of times the teachers, they give you all of the work for the semester and it's up to you to set that deadline for yourself. As I'm sitting here editing this video, I realize that I sound like a complete pretentious and just like stuck up and uppity bitch. And I do not mean to sound like that. Like, I understand that you know, classes are hard, and especially with taking online classes, it's hard and it's not the easiest thing to do. So I don't mean to sound like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to give you guys tips and tricks on advice on how to, you know, get your grades up or how to stay a student, because definitely this semester has not been hard for me. And like a lot of people who watch my snaps or stuff like that, they ask me like, how do I maintain my grades like that? And I thought I'd just put out a YouTube video for you guys. But stay focused and stay strong and do whatever you need to do, you know, to get through your semester, get through your school life. You know, I'm not... Oh, shit! I definitely failed classes before. And I definitely know how hard it can be to stay focused and to stay motivated. So do what you do. You know what I'm saying? Live your life how you live it. If you procrastinate, do that. But I'm just saying you shouldn't. You know, I don't mean to sound like, oh, uppity, you shouldn't do this and that. Okay, yeah, thank you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye. So yeah, procrastination, waiting for the last minute to do work, is a no-go. All right. And yeah, I'm not gonna be a hypocrite, because if you follow me on Snapchat, as you should be, or if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I'm always handing in papers last minute. But if you're a hardworking person, or if you're the type of person that can do things last minute, then all right, that's how you work, because that's how I work. I work better under pressure. Then do that. But if you're the type of person who's gonna hand in like a half-written essay, or, you know, some basic stuff because you didn't have enough time to finish, do not procrastinate. All right, the next thing to succeed as a college student is understanding your professors, okay? And I feel like a lot of people do not talk about this as much as they should talk about it. Understanding your professors and understanding how they work and how they grade will really help you to succeed, okay? So for example, one of my professors, my econ teacher, right? He is very strict, but he's not strict when it comes to quizzes. He's more strict when it comes to homework. So you can fail a quiz. So let's say you fail a quiz, it won't hurt you as much. But if you don't do a homework assignment, your grade is gonna drop. So understanding what your teachers care about and what matters to them will help you to succeed. Okay, that pretty much sums it up. What was I saying? Oh, okay guys, so the next step to succeeding as a student is staying on top of your grades. So making sure that you are checking your grades weekly. Yeah, every Friday, that is when I check my grades. So going into your Blackboard, going into your banner, going into whatever college you're in, whatever your school uses. My school uses Blackboard? My school uses Blackboard to check grades. So at the end of every week, that is when I go in and check my grades and see if there's anything missing or if teachers made a mistake. Because teachers, you have to understand that your professors and that your teachers are people just like you, and they make mistakes. Because I've had several times, especially with this semester where my teachers would give me a 0 for work that I did just because they missed it or they didn't see it. Or especially where like you'll be taking a quiz, and I don't know if this ever happened to y'all, especially since we're all working remotely, you'll be taking a quiz and the quiz will close on you or your connection will drop, boy, and then your teacher goes in and puts that in as a 0, you know? So you want to make sure that you're checking your grades every Friday or every Tuesday or whenever the end of the week is for you. Make sure you're checking those grades and make sure you're staying on top of your teachers, okay? Because at the end of the day, this is your education and they really don't care. They don't really care if you pass or fail, because at the end of the day, they getting their money, they getting their check, they get in their bank, they get into their bag, and they don't care about you. So you got to make sure that you're staying on top of that, you're staying on top of your grades. Yeah. And this next advice is specifically for my college students who are dorming. If you are a college student and you are dorming and you go to class, you have a physical class like I do. I think I have one physical class. Sitting in the front is very important, and making sure that your professor knows you and building a rapport with that professor is important. Because when your professors know you and when they have already established a relationship with you and they know that you're a hardworking student, if you fail a quiz, I'm telling you, this works. If you fail a quiz, right, or if you don't do a quiz or you miss an assignment, email them, email that teacher that you have that good rapport with, which a rapport is like a good, professional relationship with them, and ask them if you can take it again, or ask them if they can excuse the grade. And I promise you, if your teacher knows you and if they're comfortable with you, they probably won't excuse the grade as a whole because they can get in trouble for that. That's their job on the line. But they will definitely allow you to take the quiz over, or give you a makeup assignment. Because I know in high school, a lot of teachers have done that for me. If I failed something or if I was having a hard time, they would give me a different assignment to do to make up that grade, or they would let me retake the quiz even when you weren't supposed to retake the quiz. So making sure you have a good relationship with your teachers is also important. All right, guys, so I think I gave you all the advice that I could possibly give. It is now up to you to take this advice and run with it and do what you got to do and get those straight A's or B's, whatever, acceptable, but get those straight A's and stay in school and stay motivated. You know what I'm saying? Times are hard nowadays. We all know this, but it's not an excuse to be lazy or to not, get the best grades that you can possibly get. School is not for everybody, but baby, make it for you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @isnefa_. Bye.